Hey, I just want to show you guys a pretty unique tool that we're now offering, and that is the hole saw transfer punch kit from Tucci Hot Rods. This transfer punch kit's pretty unique in the fact that it gives you these little arbors here that you can thread into your existing standard hole saws. Once you get it inserted into the hole saw, there's a transfer punch you can slide inside of it and then get it placed where you want to place it on your panel. Give it a little tap and it automatically centers right in the middle of your hole saw. So the hole saw transfer punch kit comes with 2 arbor sizes to fit the small hole saws as well as all the other standard hole saw sizes. The unique thing about this kit is that on a flat panel where you can typically measure out pretty easy where you want your hole center line to be, this allows you to use the hole saw and to judge with your own eye, where you need your center to be without having to measure it all out. So for example, on this test piece of aluminum here, I've got 2 lines drawn. And say you want to make a cutout here, instead of having to lay out where you want your center of your hole saw to be to match to where you can drill a hole here and have a nice radius edge on your hole, you can use the hole saw with the transfer punch. You can line up the hole saw with the edges of your lines, drop in the transfer punch, and then when you give it a little tap, it automatically centers your hole to where once you drill through it with the hole saw, it's going to be placed right around so you have a nice radius around your cut lines here. So another unique use for this hole saw transfer punch kit is, let's say you already have made a bracket. We're going to use this washer as an example. You've made a bracket or a part that you've already have a hole in and you're trying to make a duplicate part and you want to get all the holes lined up properly. So if you've set your bracket down, you've transferred it onto another piece of metal and you want to get the hole right, if you already know your hole saw size, drop it in there and then you can transfer it right into the middle of that bracket that you're going to be duplicating. So that's another unique use. And that works with any size hole saw you're going to be using. So another advantage of this transfer punch kit is, let's say you're working on a dash in a car, maybe say you're trying to drill a hole in the firewall for some wiring or some other things to pass through. Instead of trying to measure everything out, draw everything out, if you know where you want your hole, you can place your hole saw on the firewall, and from there, once you get it located in a spot you like it, transfer it right on there, and then you can drill your hole, and you know based on the hole saw size that you located it where you want it. So for more information on these hole saw transfer punches, give us a call, visit our website at Trick-Tools.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on high performance tools for the fabricator.